Viljams Farels dzied Because I'm Happy, un es domāju, ka šovakar happy, laimīgi bija visi 3460 skatītāji, kuri klātienē atbalstīja Rīgas Dinamo cīņā pret Bratislavas Slovanu. 65 spēles minūtēs nebija gūti vārti. Lieliski un teicami vārtos darbojās abu komandu vārtsargi. Vienīgos vārtus pēcspēles soda metienu sērijā guva Linus Videls. Uzreiz pēc spēles devāmies apsveikt viņu ar gūtajiem vārtiem, izcīnīto uzvaru un 2 punktiem turnīra tabulā. It's nice to hear in the dressing room. This is the victory music?
No, there was sung before actually, so now it's just music.
Why didn't both teams couldn't score the goals during the 65 minutes?
I think it was a lot of focus on the defense, and then was some bad luck. Like I don't know how many posts we and them hit.
2-1.
2-1, and yeah, that's a lot I think for one game. So it was a little bit unlucky too, and it's a lot of defense. Everybody was back checking hard, and it was hard to create the chances today.
You made the second shootout.
Yeah.
Did you know where will you score?
I was like before in Sweden, I was usually shooting 5-hole, so I thought he knew that. So I wanna fake the 5-hole and go far and like shoot low blocker instead, and it worked.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Pretinieki rindās šovakar 25. spēli regulārajā sezonā aizvadīja Bratislavas komandas rezultatīvākais spēlētājs Ladislavs Nacis. Viņam 24 aizvadītajās spēlēs bija 24 rezultatīvitātes punkti. Šovakar viņš palika uz 0. Uzreiz pēc spēles viņam jautājām par aizvadīto spēli, par nespēju gūt vārtus, kā arī kā tas ir spēlēt pret savējiem, proti mūsu komandā Marcelu Hosu un Milanu Jurčiņu. Game with a lot of chances, a lot of scoring opportunities, but just the one goal made the win for our team. Why was it so?
The goalie made it unbelievable saves, you know, so they playing for them and for us, you know, like they are so good, you know, goalies. So we couldn't score today, like Riga and us, so the goalie play unbelievable.
The same as our team, Slovan is too under the line of the 8th place. How do you think? Where did you lose that net, and now you have to fight for the 8th place again?
Definitely, you know, every game is for us so important. So it's gonna be we play whole December at home, so that's gonna be key for us. You know, win so many games we can, and we gotta try to make the playoffs. You know, like Riga and everybody else. So it's gonna be tough because we got a tough group, the teams, and so we're gonna try it, you know. So December is gonna be big for us.
How it is for you to play against your nation friends, Left Slovaks, the same in our team versus Hosa and Jurčina? Some special preparations?
No, we are professionals, you know. Like they play really good tonight, and Riga play really good game. You know, there are so many opportunities, but it's good. Backlund, you know, play unbelievable for us. You know, if they make the unbelievable save, we probably lose for nothing, you know. So, but they play really good, and we gotta be a little bit better, you know, at home.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Latvijas Republikas neatkarības proklamēšanas dienā, 18. novembrī, ar reisiem no Edmontonas, Kalgari, Amsterdamas un beidzot Rīgā ieradās mūsu jaunais vārtsargs Jeffs Delorier. Viņam ierastais 38. numurs arī Rīgas Dinamo sastāvā rotās viņa spēles krēklu. Šovakar viņš pirmo reizi tika pieteikts spēlē, palika rezervē kā otrais vārtsargs. Un es domāju, nekādā gadījumā nenožēloja, jo ar baudu noskatījās, kā pretinieki nespēja gūt vārtus mūsu mūrim, Jakubam Sedlačekam.
So, congrats with the victory. Just your comment about the game. 65 minutes, no goals and no nets. What happened on ice?
Thank you for the congratulations, and I think that we play very well. Like almost, it was almost same like 2 games before, and we play very well to our D zone, and we just didn't score. We cannot score a goal, but sometimes happen this one, and Linus scored a goal in shootouts, and we didn't get. So two important points for us.
Did you hear how many posts Slovan made tonight?
Yeah, I got 2 posts, and we had 1, so it was unreal. Yeah.
But it is like a sentence. If you didn't score, that opponent scored. So thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Rīgas Dinamo, arī Latvijas asins donoru centra vārdā, izsaku visdziļāko pateicību visiem mūsu līdzjutējiem, kuri šovakar ierādās ātrāk arēnā Rīga un ziedoja asins. Kopā mēs šodien palīdzējām glābt 129 dzīvības. Tāpat arī viss lielākais paldies mūsu līdzjutējiem, kuri ar labdarības ziedojumiem palīdzēja rehabilitēties mūsu BMX braucējām Gustavam Petersīlim, kurš pirms 2 gadiem guva ļoti smagu traumu un šodien atgūstās no veselības problēmām. Uzstādījām šodien arī varbūt rekordu, kurš ir rakstāms ar mīnuszīmi – 3460 skatītāji. Bet milzīgs paldies katram un ikvienam, kurš ieradās arēnā un ir kopā ar Rīgas Dinamo šajā grūtajā brīdī. Viss būs labi, 3. uzvara pēc kārtas, un sestdien arēnā Rīga viesosies zvaigžņotais Sanktpēterburgas SKA ar kapteiņi Ilju Kovaļčuku priekšgalā. Sestdien jums ir vienkārši arēnā jābūt. Mēs uzstādīsim apmeklētības rekordu un palīdzēsim Rīgas Dinamo turpināt iesākto uzvaras ceļu. Armands Simpsons, Mārcis Krasovskis būs arēnā un gaidīs jūs. Dinamo TV priekš jums!